Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a really fun episode because I'm going to be making the classic Spanish Sangria. So for the classic Spanish Sangria, I'm going to put in oranges sliced, some sliced lime, stressed out about it, 1 sachet or 5 gram of white sugar. Then in this I'm going to add 30 ml of white rum. So I'm making this for 1 glass. Now I will put in some orange juice. So this glass is a 330 ml glass, which is the size of a pint. I'm going to add in half a glass of orange juice. And now I'm going to add in the main ingredient, which is red wine, and fill up this glass. Okay, and now I'm going to muddle and blend this in together. Push the oranges down with the thing so the flavor goes in right there, mixes well with the orange juice. And now I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours so that the flavors blend in and the fruit absorb the alcohol in the freezer. 2 hours. So now this has been chilling for about 2 hours. I've got my wine glass in and now I'm going to pour the juices. What I'll do is first I'll just take the fruit out and put it in the glass. It's absorbed the alcohol really well. I'm going to pour this in. And your classic Spanish Sangria is ready. Cheers guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care and have a great day. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making basic cheese omelette. I'm going to make my omelette with 3 eggs because the more the merrier. Some salt, just basic seasoning. If you want, you can add herbs, green chilies, and this is some white pepper. And now grated cheddar. I'm just going to mix some in it and some I'll put when the omelette's being cooked. There'll be double cheese. You beat the eggs nicely. Some olive oil in the pan. Let the oil heat a little bit in the pan for about half a minute on medium-high flame, and I'm going to pour my egg mixture. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add some cheese on top as well so it melts in with the egg. If you're adding a lot of cheese, make sure you don't put a lot of salt because cheese itself has salt and then your omelette will end up being extra salty and you don't want that. As you can see, I've used a little deep dish so that the omelette gets a little thick and fluffy. Cook this for maximum 5 minutes. You'll see it. Once the bottom is cooking and the layer on top gets nicely cooked and the cheese melts. I've switched off the heat and now I'm just going to let it rest for about half a minute to 45 seconds so that it cooks through. It already has at the bottom. Just letting the cheese properly melt on top and it being just slightly runny on the top as a classic French omelette. You can see it's slightly runny but not raw. The cheese has blended in with the egg just fine. Classic cheese omelette. As you can see, it's got a nice toasted color, the perfect breakfast and a good consistency. It's nice and fluffy as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, you take care. See you. everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. Salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. To this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I've just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because we're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one. Guys, this next recipe is grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. And this is there you have it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, let's take care. See you.
Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. So now I'm going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy, we're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. And
this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together, and once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. And done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Add on top just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to Desi Bites. Today on Desi Bites, we are making a chunky tomato salsa. It's a very easy recipe and a great condiment for nachos, chips, or any other thing that you want to use it with. So let us not waste any more time and let us get straight to the recipe. So for this now, I have taken blanched tomatoes. I'm going to remove the eye, which is this. This is the eye of the tomato. And since this is a chunky tomato salsa, we don't want to cut it really fine. Should be able to get a bite of the tomato. It's the whole point. And just cut them into halves as well. This is how big you would want your tomato pieces to be. They shouldn't be bigger than this. They are, just give it a small little chop. A little uneven is nice. Okay, so now the tomatoes are cut. I'm going to transfer them to the bowl. So, having done that, I am now going to chop some green chilies to add to the salsa, which I am now going to fine chop them. Because we are not blending the chilies, which is why you have to fine chop the chilies. Once that is done, transferring that to the bowl. Again guys, for chilies, salt, pepper and basic seasoning, don't go according to my proportions because I like a lot of chili and I like less salt. So please, you can switch that up according to your personal taste. Now in this, I'm going to throw in some salt, cracked black pepper, chopped garlic, grated ginger, 1 whole lemon, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. And now for the final ingredient, some sugar syrup. Because it has to be sweet and sour, this salsa, and that's it. Just a touch of it, not too much, and mix that in. Okay, this is really good. So now, guys, this chunky tomato salsa is ready to serve. Serve it with nachos, chips, as a condiment, just like that. It's great for a party and very easy to do.
Thank you so much for watching Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I'm going to see you in another episode. Till then, make sure you try these recipes. Otherwise, what is the point of all this? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye, guys.